Murkomen onyiso chir mare ni jatend piny William Ruto biro loyo kokalo e yiero mar ombulu ma 2027 ka oloso kare Nairobi e alam mane obagi ne mosenindo John Koech. Murkomen owacho ni Ruto nigi sir mar jo Kenya mathoth kendo sani sirikal ma oloso mar manywanda en mano maber ne kelo dongruok ne oganda jo Kenya.
What President Ruto did is not new. It's not new. The challenges that President Ruto faced are not new. In 2005, Kibaki was the most unpopular person. Everybody was saying, uchumi ni ya watu wachache, haijafika chini, it's not nenene. But Kibaki is most celebrated president today. So even the challenges the president went through last year and did what Kibaki did and broadened the government and stabilized the country, I am confident that the future of this country is in safe hands and success is ahead for us, and President Ruto will be re-elected and he will be celebrated like Kibaki in future. That is the most transformative president that ever country have.
Jokanyo mag bunge la wananchi e kaunti ma Migori omako amen kod gavana mar kaunti ma Siaya James Orengo